Hey seniors, happy Friday. I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to pop into your foundations today to let you know that in December we're focusing on FAFSA completion. And so the first step in completing your FAFSA is to make an FSA ID, which is basically a username and a password so you can start your FAFSA. And the FSA ID is something unique just for you. So if you have an older brother or sister, they probably made one for themselves, but you need to make one for you as well. And so we're going to do that in Monday in Foundations and walk you step by step how to do that. And so I just wanted to let you know over the weekend or later today, if you can find your social security card, that would be super helpful. You will need to enter your social security number and your name exactly how it appears on your social security card when you complete the FSA ID. If you don't have a social security number, then you need to reach out to Ms. Mathowitz or myself or Ms. Vestrom, and we can help you complete a different application called the Minnesota Dream Act. And so I hope you're doing well. Find that social security card so we can get going on the FAFSA. Thanks.